are digital marketer and freedom. Welcome back to my channel SS Digital Services. In this video, I'll explain about how digital marketing is useful for dentists. Nowadays, in most of the family, there is a need of dental care checkup or treatment due to oral related problems that is normally done by a dentist. So, in this video, I'll explain how dental clinics and dentists can promote their brand through digital marketing. So don't go away. Watch till end. Now I will explain it step by step. Step 1. Create a modern, responsive and interactive website and do some basic SEO also. So now I would like to show you how an interactive website look like. This website is designed by us for one of the client. You can see it is rolling. So this is a header part. Now here we have described about the services that they provide. Here is a appointment form. If anyone want to request an appointment, they can request. Here is a welcoming area. Now here is some services that they provide. Here are some images for dental services. Now we have described here about the dental problems. Now here is about the team. It is also rolling. So here request an appointment. So this is the home. Now services. It have categories what services you normally provide. You can see. Now about. In about you can describe about yourself, your team and your services. So this is how an interactive website look like. Step 2. Do SMO services. SMO means social media optimization. You can promote your brand through social media platform. You must create a Facebook page, Instagram account, and you can also advertise through YouTube video ads by creating cartoon videos. Why cartoon videos? Because it is in trend. Most of the people like to watch cartoon videos. Must post dental healthcare tips in the regular interval of time in your blog. If you don't get time for these, you can hire a content developer. Step 4. Get some testimonial from your patients and insert it on your website. It will create a positive impression to your new patients. You should hire expert digital marketing service provider to manage all your marketing at low cost. You can create campaign dedicated to your services like root canal treatment, dental implant and tooth extraction and many more. So hope this video will help you to promote your business through digital marketing. We are also digital marketing service provider. So if you have any query regarding our services, you can contact to us. Our WhatsApp number is in description box. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. It will motivate me to do better work. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.